Friends, in this video I'm going to demonstrate you about the point of sale preferences options. So in Focus we have different type of preferences which can be set as globally. Here you can set POS preferences. In POS preferences you can customize point of sale according to you. Like I can define in first step I can define drivers input options. For drivers I can define OPOS and COM commands. I can define drawer port, printer port, line display port, which will give me a display of my product and MRP, which is basically called a line display port. You can you you can say you can see in malls and all the LED display. This is the port for weighing machine integration. So in Focus we can do weighing machine integrations also, so that the directly weight can be calculated or can be fetched from machine directly. In account tab we can integrate the accounts. Like I have created sales accounts, cash, discounts, so mapping can be done according to the requirement. This is the shortcuts of standard shortcuts which can be customized as per the customer requirement. This is the miscellaneous part where you can define point per purchase, financial entry, the round of system, the posting mode, the customer selection option. Suppose you want a customer selections option only on payment screen, then you can define that. And you want if you want on entry screen, then you can define that. We have a KOT management system also in Focus for restaurants and hotels, so you can define here from that. If the extra settings like do not ask for password for POS login, time based login shift, time based bill searching bill options, pop up for sales return, number of counters, good return policy, you can define here. So whatever the definitions you define here, the system work according to that settings. The manager approvals, like if I have checked this option, approval required for sales return, then at the time of any sales return, system will ask for a manager approval. So at the time manager have to enter his ID or password. So these are the standard setting for manager approval. You can define that. In other, you can select variables for selling rate, discounts. This is for implementers. You can define barcode type. Here we have 8 to 9 types of barcodes are there. So whatever the types you are using, you can define. Here the cashier wise, right? Suppose I have a cashier name counter one. I don't want to give him open door option, then I can unselect that. Suppose I don't want him for home delivery, then I can unselect that. Reprint, return, KOT, delete bill, change rate, I can do that. ID wise I can do that. Billing screen, so what you want to show at the time of billing screen, you can define here. Bill payments, what the fields you want to show at the time of bill payments, you can define. So whatever the field you have selected only can appear at the time of bill payment. Coupon settings, ECR settings for ECR putting machines, serial port settings, and these are the external modules. These are the inventory fields. So this is the basic Focus preferences, point of sale preferences you can define, and whatever define in preferences, the system will work according to that preferences, which can be changed as per the customer requirement. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.